Okay, I'm gonna go through these. 6 times y to get rid of it, we divide both sides by 6. The 6's cancel. Y is less than 18 divided by 6 is 3. We don't have to flip the sign because there's no negatives. We'll just go down and keep going. So multiply, to get rid of divide by -2, we multiply by -2, multiply by -2. The -2's cancel. T is on this side, and since we multiply by -2, we have to change the sign. Now it's greater than. 6 times 2 is 12, and there's one negative, which is odd, so our answer is negative. This one, divide both sides by 12. The 12's cancel n, and we didn't divide by negatives, so we leave less than or equal to. And then I'm pretty sure this isn't gonna be pretty. So dividing both by 2, reducing this would be 27, right? Yeah, over 6. 27 times 2 is 14, yeah, 54. Okay, and then it looks like both those can be divisible by 3. So that would be 2 and 27 is 9, 9 over 2. So I'm gonna leave it as 9 over 2. You can obviously plug that into a calculator, 54 divided by 12, and you'd get your answer. So I'm gonna divide both sides by -3. The -3's cancel, S. And now since we divided by -3, we flip the sign, is less than or equal to. 33 divided by 3 is 11. One negative means it's negative. Multiply both sides by -14 times -14. The negatives cancel. M, we have to flip it because we multiply by a negative, is greater than or equal to. First of all, I see 2 negatives, so my answer will be positive, right? 2 negatives is even, so it's positive. And then 14 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1, 56. Oh, fractions, I hate these. Okay, so multiply both sides by 9. That'd be technically 9 over 1, right? Doesn't matter. This would cancel out, you'd be left with H. You don't do anything to the symbol, you just keep it the same because there's no negatives. H is greater than, and I'm gonna leave it as 9 over 4. I think it just looks better. You could simplify. Looks like multiply both sides by 3. The 3's cancel. M is greater than or equal to. We don't have to change that because no negatives. And 3 times 60 is 180. Divide both sides by -8, -8. The -8's cancel. X, we have to flip the sign, is less than or equal to, right? Because we divided by -8. And then 56 divided by 8, the negatives can cancel since there's one on top. 56 divided by 8 times 8 is 67. Yes, I think that's right. I'm probably wrong. Yeah, it's 7. W divided by 5, so multiply by -5 on both sides. Sorry, that's multiply by. The -5's cancel. W, flip the symbol, is less than or equal to. 9 times 5 is 45. 1 negative means it's negative, and that is how you solve those. Double check your work. You can plug them back in and double check that they make sense.